Hey everybody, this is my Quiz 6 quiz review. The first question I'm going to talk about is what's the difference between a public nuisance and a private nuisance? So in the book, a private nuisance is defined as an unreasonable interference with the use and enjoyment of an individual's private land, and a public nuisance is the unreasonable interference with a right common to the general public. So this first answer right here is the correct answer, basing that just off of the definitions. A private nuisance bothers a specific person, which in the definition it says unreasonable interference with the use and enjoyment of an individual's private lands, so individual and specific person. And then a public nuisance bothers the neighborhood in general, so the definition of public nuisance mentions the general public, which the neighborhood, everybody in the neighborhood would be the general public. So that is the answer that I chose. This next choice, a private nuisance arises after the victim moves to the area, and a public nuisance is pre-existing. This answer didn't really make sense to me at all. I don't understand how a public nuisance could be pre-existing, so I just went ahead and eliminated that. This third answer, either one can be a private or a public nuisance can be committed by anybody, not just public officials. Or that's not how they're distinct from each other. It's not by who commits it. So I eliminated that as an answer. And this one I eliminated because a public nuisance is a civil matter, hence, while we're talking about it in torts. So, yes, this first answer is the right one. The next one I'm going to talk about is, let me see, where did it go? Oh yeah. According to the textbook, which of the following, if located on a landholder's real property, would likely be included as part of the landholder's premises? So in order to answer this, I once again went and read the definition of premises, which is any real property, buildings that are attached to the property, grounds, facilities, structures, and other things that are attached to the land or growing from it. So with that in mind, a mailbox is attached to the land, a backyard shed is attached to the land, an operable car is not attached to the land or growing from it, so not that one. The residents of the home are not attached to the land or growing from it. A water well is attached to the land. The family dog is not. The house would be attached to the land, and the trees and bushes would be growing from the land. So I believe these are all the right answers, and that is my quiz review. Thank you.